here's my yarn, that's my cardboard, and I have my scissors, and I have a piece of yarn right here. And what I'm going to do is wrap this around the cardboard a few times, about 7 or 8 times. So let's see how many times, right? We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's go 8. Okay. We're gonna put that down. We're gonna get another piece. We're gonna push this through. I'm gonna tie. Make sure it's even. Where you going? Come back here. So we're gonna make sure it reaches to the top. So here's the top. We're gonna tie this part right here. Right, and then we're gonna switch it around. So I go underneath here, and then you're gonna have this thing out, and we're gonna slide it off. So when you split it off, you're gonna lift back with something like this, right? And then you're gonna get another piece, wrap it around. There you go. After that, you're gonna trim it down. You're gonna get rid of this part right here, this one right here, and then you're gonna cut these. There you go. Your tassel.